What is up, Gun Nation? Alright, if you're a new gun owner or just wanting to take your gun apart to maintain it or clean it up after a range trip, here's the first thing we do. Unload it. Verify. Unloaded, right? This is the Ruger SR22. Ruger SR22. The takedown is right here. You're gonna flip that down. You're gonna pull back and lift up. It slides right off. Now, on the SR22, the barrel is fixed. There's your recoil spring and recoil rod. Now to reassemble it, just see that little space right there? Put it in there like that. Line up your spring. Line up your barrel and just pull it back. Drop it back on there. Pull this tab up. Works like a charm. Decock it. Safety. Dead trigger. Ready to rock and roll. Please like, comment, subscribe. Always be prepared for the unknown, guys. And if that day happens, fight like hell and overcome it. M.O. Wizard.